This is why ANC will remain governing in South Africa even for years to come. And if this truth offends you, then it's great. Now, vote splitting is the dumbest political habit South Africans keep repeating. And every time we do it, the ANC laughs. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, more parties does not mean more democracy. In South Africa, it means more chaos and the more ANC leverages. Now, you don't defeat a dominant party by scattering your strength. You defeat it by concentrating force. But instead, here in South Africa, we have voters who are busy playing political experiments with small parties that can't even command 5% of the vote. That's not bravery, that's political irresponsibility. Because if we're being honest, the ANC does not need majority support anymore. It only needs to be the largest minority. Once opposition votes are split into pieces, the ANC automatically becomes the kingmaker. And when you make the ANC the kingmaker, you've already lost. Because the ANC does not negotiate to leave power, it negotiates to protect power. If the ANC is the largest minority, it puts them in a position to start negotiating. They will say such things like, you can form government, but as the ANC, we want finance. We'll support you, but as the ANC, we want control of the police. We'll cooperate, but as the ANC, public enterprises stays with us. Those are the words that ANC will use when they enter into those negotiation rooms. And just like that, corruption survives, cardiac deployment survives, and state capture networks survives. Different faces at the top, same hands on the cash, same hands on the guns, and same hands on the switchboard. We should honestly, as South Africans, stop lying to ourselves, because voting for a party that cannot realistically challenge for power is not sending a message. It is an outsourcing power back to the ANC. You are not punishing the ANC, you are fragmenting the only force that could remove it. And the ANC understands this perfectly. That's why the ANC does not attack small parties seriously, and that's why they don't fear fragmentation. Because every extra party means that there will be a weaker opposition, there will be longer negotiations, and more ANC bargaining power. This is not an accident, this is math. And unfortunately, maths does not care about emotions, slogans, or protest votes. If voters were serious about change, truly and serious, then unity will terrify the ANC. But division is the ANC's oxygen. So ask yourself hard questions before the next election. Are you voting for change, or are you voting to feel good while the ANC stays relevant? Because your intentions while you're voting don't really matter. The outcome after you've voted is what matters. A split vote does not weaken the ANC. It guarantees the ANC that it will stay inside government, it will control key ministries, it will keep shaping outcomes and deciding South Africa's future from the shadows. And if we keep pretending otherwise, then let's be honest enough to say this. We are not only trapped by the ANC alone, but we are also trapped by our own political dumbness. Wake up, because the ANC already has. As long as we keep splitting our votes, they will keep splitting the country and calling it democracy. And always remember that intentions don't matter when it comes to voting. The outcome does. So please stop splitting votes.